Hi, my name is Dawn and this is my review of this 3-pack shower caddy corner system. Let's open it up and take a look. So I was provided this product for review. Let's open it up and see what we've got. All right, this is a 3-pack. All the different pieces. It comes in a couple different colors. This is the black design. It does have some instructions that come with it. This is an adhesive system, so we'll take a look at that here in just a little bit. And so we've got the 2 L-shaped corner units. This could be used, I could see it being practical, obviously in the shower itself, but also just in the bathroom in general. So you could use this by the sink, for example, you know, lotions and Q-tips and a toothbrush holder and things of that sort. And then there is also a soap dispenser. See, it's got a nice base plate, which means everything stays super sturdy and in place. But right, these slots allow water to move through. This is rust resistant, which is great, obviously important when you're in wet conditions like the shower. And as you will see when we move into the shower itself for install, it just comes with these adhesive plates that attach to the tile wall and or plastic or porcelain or what have you, depending on what kind of shower wall you have. And then the holders, the caddies themselves, will just slide into place. So definitely looking forward to seeing this in action. Let's get to install.